goes. Good morning, welcome to a morning outlook. This is Kim speaking on Friday the 22nd of December. Okay, this is going to be the last video for a few days now. I'll probably be about the third or the fourth before I come back from to trade. Personally, I don't trade through the quieter Christmas period, and it's good to take a break, so a bit of a combination there. So right, anyway, let's get on and look at these markets this morning. We've got let's just look at data we've got out today. There's not a great deal. I'm just right on the, let me just make sure I've got the today would be good. It's alright, I've got some old data, I think. Right, okay, so we've had retail sales come out higher than expected there at 1.3 for the UK. That's inflationary effect, or could be inflationary. Ironic after we've seen the disinflationary data earlier. But anyway, GDP coming out at 130, and now this is oh, it has, I've got it in red. The core personal consumption expenditure is watched quite closely in the US there, so at 130 again. So we've got a bit of data coming out there called durable goods as well coming out. So yeah, there's something that could move it at 130. Right, let's have a look at the technicals then. Starting off looking at euro dollar. Well, yesterday we did eventually in the afternoon there, it's started moving. We've got up to double top territory and we're knocking on the door there. Got eventually pushed up there. Here we go. Came out, what time was that? 11 o'clock yesterday, so it's a bit later, but pushed up, then just consolidated. Where to today? Well, got an untouched daily pivot below that could well form a support area. Alternative, of course, is the potential for the breakout to the upside. I didn't like the pattern here yesterday at all. When I was looking at it, I was away and out and about yesterday mid-morning, so missed taxi duty yesterday for children. Anyway, missed this move here anyway. Not that I would have taken it because it could have just been a fake out. As I said, I don't like these penalty price action. Anyway, for now, not. Well, let's see. It's post 8 o'clock now. And it is starting to push to the upside. We'll see if it can break out the highs there. The pound. I was going to say similar-ish. Didn't really get the kicker yesterday. It's still got that tad of weakness around the pound. Now, it did break out the highs here, but this morning it's pushed out. But it's just looking. The fact that retail sales is quite inflationary. We're not really seeing much of a reaction from it, and maybe the detail between the underneath the figures that it was important there. But anyway, yeah, don't like this. The thing is, if you look at it for too long and you can't see what it is, I would just stand aside of it. Dollar yen, yesterday we saw it continue its run back to the south side. My preference is to see this running off more. It's come off its daily pivot today. We could see a continuation, maybe a break of the lows here. Could see us running down some more towards the S1 there. Okay, Aussie dollar. Get the Aussie dollar to come up, it'd be good. There we go. Aussie dollar pushing up. It's again, it's one of these. It's broken out from the highs there that we were looking at. Again, it actually cleared those highs and looks like it's on for another push up here. We're certainly seeing the dollar weakness coming through, or some dollar weakness coming through. It's quite stealthily because of the retracements we've been seeing in this, which puts you off when you see this sort of movement, expecting more downside yesterday, but no, it's continued with that bigger trend, and at the moment this looks like it's got scope for maybe even the daily R1. It's a bit distant up there, but at least the double tops could be coming into play in the short term. But this bigger trend really setting the way. We can't trade against these short-term moves. Talking about big trends, Canadian dollar still pushing to the downside here. Solid movement, looking like it's going again this morning. Yesterday it was choppy as anything most of the morning, as often happens. 1 o'clock there's the breakdown and off it's gone, and it looks quite solid at the moment. If we're not that far away from the S1, if it hits the S1, maybe it's on for the S2 as well, although these pivots are quite broad today, and it is the last sort of trading day before Christmas, and well, we'll see what happens. Strange things happen. New Zealand dollar, we're pushing towards the highs here. Consolidated. Yeah, another one. It's just not looking quite so strong there. Okay, some of the usual suspects. Euro yen at the moment not really doing too much. I've actually turned my auto trader on the euro yen off yesterday, and keep it off until the new year now. It's choppy and going a bit ugly there, so keep away from that for now. Euro CAD, what's up with the Euro CAD this morning? Euro CAD very consolidated there, not really going too far at all here. I like the idea of the downside because of the sort of the bigger move there, but we've been stuck here. On Tuesday we sort of had this spiky movement. Wednesday, yesterday choppy, and yesterday I should say choppy there. It's just not tradable as it sits at the moment. Okay, I shall go through the rest in a short while. Let's just have a look at just quick across the other markets. Look at gold here. So gold, well, this morning it's pitched up a little bit. It's already sort of don't particularly like it. It's too consolidated, not really moving too much. I would tend to leave it alone. Oil's continuing, it's having its little sell-offs, but it's continued grafting its way to the upside there. It's we've seen this sort of little corrections coming through yesterday morning, but since then it's been pushing back up again, and looking like it's got further upside to me now. I think we've seen the selling off for now at least. The monthly pivot may still be calling it. S&Ps, so the S&Ps recovered yesterday but never really got on beyond the previous that horrible bar that came in. Never triggered the downside side. As I said yesterday, it did the bullish harami that sort of had moved in, or we'd seen the candles pushing up here. Maybe it's just got a bit more upside in it, some legs still left. I should watch it during the Christmas period. We often see the rallies coming through. It was actually on the Dow Jones, but they all follow suit. And Dow Jones is looking really quite similar. The DAX consolidated here, not really going too far. And the FTSE stealthily going, pushing up there. As I said, it's ugly as anything, but it's gradually working its way to the upside. I really don't like the price action, hate this sort of thing occurring. It makes it very difficult to work out what's coming on next, particularly as it's gone in there and put a lower high in. Yesterday, really horrible, choppy old day. Today looks a bit soft where it is on the shorter time frames here, but don't forget the bigger trend. Right, okay, I would leave that personally. The best thing is to go and get some mince pies, cup of tea, and have a great day. Now, I wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. and I will catch you, as I say, probably the 3rd or 4th of January 2024. Take care. Bye for now.